We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hello, I'm Nathan with Onyx Imaging, and today we're going to take a look at this HP Deskjet 2652. We're going to show you guys how to change the ink out. So with the machine on, there's a secondary door. We're going to pop it open. The toner is going to move to the center of the machine, and on this one you push down and you will hear a click and the ink will come out. To put back in, you slide in and you push up, and then just close the door and you should be up and running. If you need any supplies, please contact us at Onyx Imaging. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.